Hey, what is up all you do-selfers? My name is Dylan Taylor. This is Dylan's DIY Workshop. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own hardwood dowels. This is a maple dowel and this is a walnut dowel that I made from rough lumber that I got from the sawmill that wasn't even planed down. So this is a super cheap way that you can make your own dowels with a few tools. Okay, so I started off by ripping or milling my wood down to 5/8 by 5/8. And I did so with my bandsaw that I have here in my studio. Bandsaws are fairly cheap. You can get a really small one for probably around $100, and you can set that up in your own basement or your shop or your shed, and you'll be able to do this. You could also use a table saw, or if you're brave enough, a handsaw. Now, you almost don't even need to do that, because the only reason we're ripping it to 5/8 by 5/8 is so that it fits into this socket that we have here. It's a 5/8 square. And that is what is going to drive our piece of wood through our giant pencil sharpener. It's a tenon cutter, but the wood could be oversized as long as the end is 5/8 by 5/8. It's just you're going to dull the blades of your sharpener a little bit faster. And our sharpener is just this piece right here. It's this 9/16 Veritas tenon cutter that I have mounted to the edge of my desk. After that, you can run it through a drill. Again, a hand drill would probably be best. You can put it in a vise and use that to sand off all the grooves. You just want to make sure that that piece of sandpaper is big enough that you can hold on to it and it doesn't get caught, because it did get caught on me. It ripped the drill out of the vise and then it broke the dowel. You can see it's a bit shorter than it was in the video. So make sure that the piece is big enough and you kind of know the way it's rotating and what forces are on it. And then you could go ahead and just sand the rest by hand. You can sand it to the desired grit or smoothness that you choose. There you have a nice 5/8 walnut dowel that we just made right there. This is much cheaper than buying these from the store. Do whatever you please with this. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a huge thank you to all of my Patreon supporters for allowing me to keep creating videos the way that I do and being there to support me. So thank you all so much, and a special thank you to the top tier Patreon supporters, Randy, Robinbird, and Mike Maxwell. And a special thank you to the top tier Patreon supporters, Randy, Robinbird, and Mike Maxwell. You guys are extra special. And if anyone else wants to help support me on Patreon, there will be a card up in the top right corner of the screen, as well as in the description as always, if you guys want to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next Tuesday or Friday, whichever's sooner. There will be a new video on this channel every Tuesday and Friday at 5 p.m. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.